Hello everyone, let's learn Malay by just watching. Today we are going to chapter 20. I'm going to explain about class 3 verbs, ber. Chapter 20 or bab 20. Verbs, class 3 verbs, ber. Prefix ber can be classified into two categories, each with a different purpose. Number 1, an action performed by the doer himself, relative verbs. Number 2, an action performed by two or more persons or parties. Many of these shows retaliative actions, reciprocal verbs. Example of first category verbs: bersenam, to do physical exercise; berhias, to beautify oneself; bersikat, to comb one's hair; berhenti, to stop; belajar, to learn or to study; berdiri, to stand; bekerja, to work; bermain, to play; berenang, to swim; berjalan, to walk; bertolak, to leave, to depart; bersedia, to get ready; berpuasa, to fast; bertukar, to be transferred; berlari, to run; belayar, to sail. Examples of second category verbs: berjabat tangan, to shake hands; berpisah, to leave one another; bercium, to kiss one another; berpeluk, to hug each other; bertempur, to clash with each other or to battle; bekerjasama, to cooperate; bertumbuk, to fight or punch each other; menumbuk, punching; berjumpa, to meet each other; bergaduh, to quarrel or to fight; bermain, to play with others; berjudi, to gamble; berkawan, to make friends; berkumpul, to assemble; berpecah, to be separate from others; bertikam, to stab each other; berjanji, to make promise; berkahwin, to marry; bercerai, to be divorced or to be separate. In some words, the R in ber is dropped. This is done for the sake of euphony. Examples: belajar, bekerja, belayar, berenang. Murid-murid sekolah itu bersenam selang sehari. The pupils of that school do physical exercise every other day. Perempuan muda itu sedang berhias di dalam biliknya. The young lady is dressing up in her room. Biasanya dia bersikat 3 kali sehari. Usually, he combs his hair 3 times a day. Bas itu berhenti di hadapan rumah kawan saya. That bus stops in front of my friend's house. Budak itu berdiri di bawah pokok mangga. That kid, that boy or that girl is standing under a mango tree. Amin bermain di rumah. Bapanya bekerja di pejabat. Amin plays at home. His father works in the office. 5 ekor itik berenang di dalam kolam. 5 ducks are swimming in a pond. Keretapi ke utara bertolak pada pukul 8.50 pagi. The northbound train leaves at 8:50 in the morning. Orang Islam berpuasa dalam bulan Ramadan. Muslims fast in the month of Ramadan. Jamal berlari ke kedai. Jamal runs to the shop. Dalam tahun ini, 3 buah kapal akan berlayar ke Mekah. 3 ships will sail to Mecca this year. Bapa saudara Mariam telah bertukar ke Ipoh bulan sudah or bulan lepas. Mariam's uncle was transferred to Ipoh last month. Rambutnya belum bersikat. His hair is not been combed yet. Examples of second category. Kasim berjabat tangan dengan Yusuf. Kasim is shaking hands with Yusuf. Juliet berpeluk dan bercium dengan Romeo. Juliet and Romeo are hugging and kissing each other. Penjahat-penjahat itu bertempur dengan polis. The bandits clash with the police. Orang ramai mesti bekerjasama dengan kerajaan. The public must be cooperate with the government. Apabila dua orang budak itu berjumpa, mereka bertumbuk. Whenever the two boys meet, they fight. Sambil bermain, mereka bercakap. While playing, they talk. Kami tidak suka berkawan dengan dia. Dia suka berjudi. We don't like to make friends with him. He likes to gamble. Hari ini kita berkumpul, esok kita bercerai. Today we gather together, tomorrow we depart, or we separate. Mereka hendak berkahwin minggu hadapan. They are getting married next week. Dia telah berjanji, hendak pergi bersama-sama. He promised to go together. Perompak-perompak itu telah bertikam malam semalam. The robbers stabbed each other last night. Setelah berbual kira-kira setengah jam lamanya, mereka pun berpisah. After chit-chatting for about half an hour, they went their way. Words to remember. Nouns. Bapa saudara, uncle. Bapa means father, saudara, relative. Islam, Islam religion. Penjahat, bandit. Jahat means bad or evil. Perompak, robber. Rompak, rob. Masa, time, period. Tempat, place. Tahun, year. Orang ramai, public. Kali, time. Kedai, shop. Kerajaan, government, from the word raja. Raja means king, because in Malaysia, the government belongs to the king. The prime minister and the minister just governs and administrate the government. Kilang, factory. Kolam, pond or pool. Mangga, mango. Verbs, kena, has or have to. Mesti, must. Buat, to do or to make. Suka, like. Ingin, eager to or desire. Another words, apabila, when, whenever. Biasanya, usually. Bagus, good. Bagaimana, how. Benar, true, really. Lagi, still or more. Kira-kira, about, approximately. Selang sehari, every other day. Selang seminggu, every other week. Belum, not yet. Dengannya, with him or with her. Sambil, while. Ramai, many, for people. Banyak, many or much. Kami akan bertolak apabila kami sudah bersiap sedia. We will depart whenever we get ready. Perbualan, conversation. Di mana awak bekerja sekarang, Encik Hassan? Where do you work now, Mr. Hassan? Sekarang saya bekerja di kilang elektronik di Petaling Jaya. Now I am working in electronic factory in Petaling Jaya. Bila awak mula bekerja di kilang elektronik itu? When do you start work in that factory? Sudah 6 bulan. Already 6 months. Oh, begitu. I see. Bagaimana awak pergi bekerja? How do you go to work? Saya pergi bekerja naik bas. I go by bus. Bas bertolak pukul berapa? What time the bus depart? Bas bertolak pukul 7 pagi. The bus depart at 7 o'clock in the morning. Ramaikah orang naik bas itu? Or ramai ke orang naik bas itu? Are there many people to go by the bus? Ramai. There are many. Kadang-kadang saya kena berdiri di dalam bas. Sometimes I have to stand up inside the bus. Bas itu sampai di Petaling Jaya pukul berapa? That bus arrived in Petaling Jaya at what time? Kira-kira pukul 7.3 suku. About 7:45. Di mana ia berhenti? Where do it stop? Ia berhenti di hadapan kilang tempat saya bekerja itu. That bus or it stops in front of the factory. The place where I work. Pada masa petang, awak buat apa, Encik Hassan? What do you do in the afternoon, Mr. Hassan? Kadang-kadang saya bersenam. Kadang-kadang saya pergi berenang di kolam renang di Jalan Raja Chulan. Sometimes I work out. Sometimes I swim in the swimming pool at Jalan Raja Chulan. Adik awak Hussein bekerja di Bank Negara lagi ke? Your younger brother Hussein still working in Bank Negara? Tidak, dia telah berhenti. No, he already resigned or stopped. Di mana dia bekerja sekarang? Where does he work now? Sekarang dia bekerja di pejabat TM. Now he works at TM office. TM, formerly known as Telekom Malaysia. Now TM. Mengapa dia bertukar kerja? Why did he change job? Katanya, he said, dia tidak suka kerja sebagai kerani. He doesn't like to work as a clerk. Dia belum kahwin lagi. He still not married yet. Belum, not yet. Tetapi sudah bertunang, but already got engaged. Oh, baguslah. That's great. That's good. Saya ingin benar. I really want. Hendak berjumpa dengannya. To meet him. Bila dia datang ke sini, whenever he come here, suruhlah dia pergi ke rumah saya. Ask him to go to my house. Baiklah, very well, or okay. Exercise or latihan. Number 1. Marina has been sunbathing on the beach. Marina berjemur di pantai. Number 2. Tina works in the KLIA. Tina bekerja di lapangan terbang antarabangsa Kuala Lumpur. Kuala Lumpur International Airport. Number 3. The boys are playing tennis. The girls are playing volleyball. Budak-budak lelaki bermain tenis. Budak-budak perempuan bermain bola tampar. 4. We must cooperate to solve that problem. Kita harus or kita mesti bekerjasama untuk menyelesaikan masalah itu. 5. He has separated from his wife. Dia telah berpisah dengan isterinya. 6. Siti hugged her brother at the airport. Siti berpeluk dengan abangnya di lapangan terbang. 7. Children like to swim in the swimming pool. Kanak-kanak suka berenang di kolam renang. 8. After the Commonwealth Game, all the participants will return to their countries. Selepas tamat sukan Commonwealth, semua peserta-peserta akan bertolak pulang ke negara masing-masing. Masing-masing means respective. 9. Samad can speak in English and Japanese. Samad boleh bertutur dalam bahasa Inggeris dan bahasa Jepun. 10. The express bus leaves the bus station at 1 o'clock. Bas ekspres itu bertolak dari stesen pada pukul 1. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.